Hi there. Want to remove the background from a picture? You don't need complex software or any design skills. Copilot AI in PowerPoint can do it in just a few clicks. Select the picture and go to the Picture Format tab. Click Remove Background. The AI Tools window opens and removes the background automatically. When done, click Save. The original picture is now replaced with the edited one. That's how you remove a picture background using Copilot AI in PowerPoint.